What is up, guys? My name is Suraj. I am first year medical student in Georgia in India State Medical. So today's topic is about how I make my notes and which books I prefer and which app I use and everything I will discuss in these videos. So let's start. So first of all, I use this tablet to make my notes, which is Samsung S7 FE, and its price is about 43,000, and it is available in every site, Flipkart, Amazon. You can go, you can buy it, and I will put the link in the description. So this is my screen, and I use the Samsung Notes, which is provided by the Samsung. So this note, uh, so this is the notes of the skeleton system, and I just make this note few week ago, and I will tell you point wise what you should remember while making a notes. So first point is keyword, such as periosteum. Peri means perimeter, and endosteum, and endo means within. Compact cortical spongy cancellous. So you can add a keyword, and it is very useful. Second point is always write a short, because it will help you in exam. Osteoclast and osteogenic. Osteoclast function is resorption of bone. Do not make it brief, keep it simple, and it will very useful on your exam. And third point is mark the important label diagram, such as in this diagram there is many labels, but circle only that diagram which is very important, such as I circle osteoclast, osteogenic cells, and osteoblast cell. So you just circle only that label which is very important. And fourth point is write a basic informations, and which is very help you to connect with the basic information, such as uh, I just write about the yellow bone marrow, and just make a boundaries. So you can add a basic informations, because it is very useful to connect you with the basic information, such as I write here about the cartilage, all informations about the cartilage. And now fifth point, I prefer you to make diagram by your hand, because it is very useful. If you make diagram with your hand, it is very clear to you, such as I make a diagram and it is very clear to me, just outer layer, inner layer, matrix, and some cells. So it is very clear to you about the diagram. So I prefer you to make a diagram by your hand. If you talk about the diagram, so I take a diagram for many sites. I take it from Google, I take it from many apps such as Osmosis and CanHub, and I take a diagram from Anatomy app, and I take pictures from the books. So if you talk about a source from where I make notes, if you are a medical student, do not depend on a single book. So mainly read one or two books, and search on internets, and gather all informations from internet, from books, and then collectively summarize all the topics, all the informations, and then make a notes, and it will very useful to you. And the book which I use, which is VG Kovesnikov and BD Choresia and Memorix Anatomy, and this is the Atlas, the image book. So these four books I mainly use, and basically I love this book, VG Kovesnikov book, and I use Google also to know more informations about any topic. And now I will show you the app which I use. So Osmosis app I mostly use due to its videos and the notes. If I play any videos,
organized in 5 main regions: 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar.
So these are the nodes of osmosis, and the nodes are very clear, and you can easily identify the every point of the skeleton system. And here you can go to the unlabeled diagram, which is very useful to practice. So thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel to join me.